Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Jumptask and its new partnership with Honeygain. In case you don't know what Honeygain is, I will pin the link to the video in the comments down below. If you're new here, this channel is all about crypto education and entertainment. So if you're into this topic, don't forget to leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future videos. By doing that, you are engaging with this channel and therefore help it grow and its community as well. Also, stay with me until the end of this video to get your bonus. So recently, Honeygain has made a partnership with Jumptask, which is a platform that allows you to earn cryptocurrency by completing different micro tasks and connecting your MetaMask wallet to the website. Jumptask was launched on January 13, 2022 and still has a lot of features to come. The official token of Jumptask and also the reward you get in return for mining and completing tasks is Jump token, which is at a current price of $2.26. What I mean when I say mining is that you can actually connect your Jumptask wallet to your existing Honeygain account and mine the token. If you don't have a Honeygain account, I will leave a link in the description down below so you can sign up using my referral. Besides mining the token, you will also receive a 50% bonus on all of your earnings to your Jumptask wallet. So basically, once you go to the Jumptask website, all you have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet and head over to your Honeygain profile. Once you do that, if you look up here, you can see that you can switch from Honeygain to Jumptask, and once you do that, you will immediately start mining the Jump token. Also, in order to be able to mine, you will have to keep your Honeygain account and mining device opened. And if you want to go from a wallet to another, you just have to click on here and it will take you to whatever wallet you want to be on. Besides mining and completing tasks in order to receive the Jump token, you can also purchase it from PancakeSwap. And now, for sticking with me until the end of this video, I would like to give you a bonus. So those of you who are already familiar with Honeygain know that having referrals is what helps you mine and earn a lot more than just mining by yourself. What's interesting about Jumptask is that if you have Honeygain referrals, they also help you in mining the Jump token. So basically, all you have to do is just share your referral code to people who are not a user of Honeygain and get a little help in mining. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I check every single comment, and until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.